Dr. Hubner, I'm here at Natural Transplants, and I'm here with Carlos. Carlos actually is here even before a year. He's here at 9 months, and we are so excited about his results that we were like, let's get this on video. It was such a powerful difference especially when you see those before pictures in terms of how he presents himself, confidence, the whole deal. He's been getting a lot of compliments from people as well. But Carlos, tell us about the last 9 months, how it's been, and tell us what you think so far of your results.
Yeah, so far it's been everything that you've actually talked about. So in our initial consultation, you actually walked me from the beginning to the end, and it's very rare that you actually find a doctor that actually, really delivers on exactly what he says. I mean, you guys have delivered on everything, from start to finish, from, the things that I would experience during the surgery to, the growth, that I'll be having in month 3, 4, 5. And and even those months when you talked about those months when you feel like crying because you're thinking, is this work?
There are a lot of weird things and weird sensations to go through, and it's not immediate. So that first 3 or 4 months, like nothing's happening. People get buyer's remorse. There's a lot of psychology that goes into a hair transplant and results. But certainly now, boy, you've really it's amazing what a hairline can do for your look, man. To go from no hairline to you're actually doing a little faux hawk at 9 months, which is actually ahead of schedule. Most people can't do that, especially after one surgery 9 months in. But let's model your hair a little bit, I guess, so you can see what it looks like from the front. If you could just turn to one side or another, yep, and make sure your whole face is in there. There we go, perfect. Look at the difference, just having that shelf of hair. Wow. And let's see the other side, same thing, perfect. Just hold it there for a second. Wow, unbelievable. And then just a little bit down with your Yep, just a little bit down with your, there we go, perfect. Just to see the top. Good, 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 good. Wow. Unbelievable, man. What have
Yeah.
other people been saying about it? I mean, has anyone noticed? I mean,
uh, you know, um, I mean, my wife, obviously,
right.
she's just shocked by the the results, which is great. Everyone, from the time, because I wasn't one of these shy guys, that I told everyone what I was doing, and I told everyone, the journey. So, now when I'm actually at the office, they're like, oh wow, night and day, night and day. It's
Yeah,
just like,
yeah.
one guy even said, look, that shaved 10 years off your life.
It really has. I mean, yeah, absolutely shaved the years off. So, Carlos, thank you so much. We may follow up again at the 1 year mark, but thank you for showcasing your results. And I'm sure someone's going to benefit from this video and your process as well. So thank you
Yeah,
so
my
much for
pleasure.
allowing this to be shared with everyone.
My pleasure.
Would you go back, if you could go back and do it again? Would you say, this is well worth it? Would you do it
100%.
again? Yeah, yeah,
Pain
yeah.
tolerance is not even it's not even what people think it is. It's very tolerable.
Yep, awesome. And again, we're gonna talk at the 1 year mark, and at that point, sometimes people at this stage will go for a second coat of paint on these areas. So we'll see how
Yeah.
you feel about things. But congratulations on the progress so far. Take
Thanks,
care.
man. All right,
Yes,
you too.
sir. All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.